press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.
Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of POPxo Makeup 101. And in today's episode, I'm going to show you how to apply false eyelashes. I know you might find it a bit tricky, but after these tips, it's going to get super easy. So let's not waste any more time and get right into the video. First step, I'm going to prep my lashes. I'm going to use a curler and I'm going to curl my lashes. So we curled our lashes because we want our false lashes to absolutely blend into our natural lash line. Now these are the lashes that I'm going to use. Okay, so for this, there's a trick to it. Your lashes are not fully glued but slightly glued to the case, and while taking them out, you don't want to break it. So what you do is, you fold it into half like that and then slowly put your hands, put your nail or your finger underneath and start pulling it out very gently. So these lashes are perfect, the length is perfect for my eye, but in case the lashes are longer for you, what you do is from the longer side, just start snipping one bit at a time using a scissor and keep measuring it till you're satisfied with the length. So now I'm going to apply lash glue. Just make sure you apply it evenly, but when it comes to the corners, just add a little extra because you want your corners to be very firmly stuck to the lash line. Now, once you've applied the glue, you have to let it dry for 20 to 30 seconds. You start with the center, put it in the center and then slowly start pasting it all over your lash line. Now use the tweezer and press it to just secure it. Now I'm going to do the same step with the second eye. And now for the final step, I'm going to apply a coat of mascara. And voila, we're done. So that was it for the video guys. I hope you liked it. Let me know if you found this video helpful in the comment section below. And because you love our content so much, don't forget to join the MyGlamm POPxo Insider program and get 150 rupees off on all MyGlamm beauty products. The link is in the description box. And for more such videos, like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily. Bye.